Welcome to the Americas, one of the largest and most diverse smartphone and consumer electronics markets in the world. The region covers 2 continents, more than 45 countries, and over 1 billion people, with a unique mix of languages, cultures, laws, and regulations. B2X has a strong foothold in the region, managing after-sales service for its OEM clients. Leading smartphone and consumer electronics brands such as Samsung, Lenovo, Motorola, and Sony have partnered with B2X to manage their customer care. North America is the motherland of customer service, while South America is one of the fastest growing regions in the world. This is both a great challenge and fantastic opportunity for consumer electronic companies. B2X has established a network of over 1,000 walk-in service centers and close to 100 repair partners in the region that delivers a reliable customer care experience. All partners are managed by B2X under the highest quality and standards. B2X service managers monitor performance and control KPIs to ensure smooth operations. In the United States, B2X operates an in-home service solution on behalf of Samsung. Customers of Samsung who need help with their smart TV or one of their appliances receive fast service in their homes performed by B2X technicians trained and certified by Samsung. In Colombia, B2X runs a new Motorola flagship walk-in service center in the heart of Bogota. The new store concept unifies experience and service. People can purchase accessories, test new products, and get all levels of service and support right in the store. In Brazil, B2X supports Samsung with a new service concept called Samsung Galaxy Consultants. B2X has consultants in more than 200 locations. They advise people on Samsung Galaxy product features and solve issues right on the spot, ensuring best-in-class service. In Mexico, B2X also provides highly trained Galaxy consultants in the Samsung Experience stores to support people with their new device. Technicians are also available in the store to repair phones quickly.
With our in-depth knowledge of the after-sales market and strong presence in the region, our clients can be certain B2X is the right partner to ensure their customers have an excellent experience.
B2X, the customer care company.